What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. Monday morning, and I've got a whole bunch of new job listings that we're going to go over real quick. And I've also got a cry for help coming from Ghana, and they're looking for some Siemens imaging parts. I'll go over that as well in just a moment. Folks, it is a fantastic week in the industry. Everybody is doing really well from what I hear. Some major partners are out there, and they're expanding. It's been fantastic. Let's go ahead and let's check out biomed.com and see what's going on over there. Okay, guys, here we go. biomed.com. I've got some new jobs. Diddage. They're looking for a technician for Indiana, Illinois, Michigan, and Ohio. Big Ten, favorite place in the nation. They're looking for a travel technician / repair biomed, and it's a W-2 position. Good opportunity, guys. If you like being your own boss and kind of having some independence, these are the kind of positions I would recommend. Sounds fantastic. Demaya Services out by Dallas-Fort Worth. They also have a position that's open, and it looks like it's a 1099 job. It says project to start on Monday, 8/4. Ooh, that's soon. Okay, guys, if you are looking for a 1099, I would say that this is a 1099 position. It says it's W-2, but I would consider this a 1099. Maybe you should look into it, connect with Demaya Services, apply at the job. It's so easy, guys. All you got to do is come in here and register as a candidate. Then you can upload your resume and you can build out your profile, and then it's so easy to apply for jobs. Let's see. I also have a Biomed Equipment Tech 3 out of San Francisco, California, W-2 position, and it looks like this one here is going to be in one particular location, from what I see. Brand new job, just posted. Good guys out there at MMS. And I've also got an opportunity to transition into imaging. How fascinating. I love when these positions pop up. It says open roles in New York City and Omaha, Nebraska. That's Hellickson and Associates. That looks like a really good position, actually. Okay, so there's two positions open. Just reach out to Leah at hellicksonassociate.com, and or you just click on apply for job right here and do it that way. That sounds like a really good job. And I still have some open positions for IMED out in Fort Worth, Texas. That sounds like a really cool opportunity. Agility has got a Biomed 2 in Andover, and I've got imaging specialist right here in Texas. And then I still have a couple positions open for Intellis, and those are going to be in Reading, Pennsylvania, and Beverly, Massachusetts. Good spots. All right, guys, so if you're interested in these positions, reach out to them. Folks, now let's go ahead and take a look at my cry for help out there in Ghana. So I received an email over the weekend, and apparently Siemens, I don't know the whole story. I don't want to vilify anybody, but apparently it's difficult to find these positions. My man right here, Philip, he's out there helping set up a biomed company in Ghana because obviously that part of the world needs a lot of help as much as possible. Philip is a very smart biomed, and man, I honestly wish I was over there so I could help him out. But he's looking for some cables. He's looking for a foot switch, a hand switch, and tableside luminous DRF. So anyway, there's the part numbers. Guys, if you have any ability to help this guy get his parts, please reach out to me or right here, Philip. It's ztrekgr@gmail.com. Or just go ahead and message me, Justin at betterbiomed.com, if you can help him out. And I will link you guys up. He's just looking for some parts, man. And I feel for him because logistics can get very complex in certain parts of the world. And here's a man out there trying to make a difference. I just want to help him out, okay? Okay, guys, there you have it. That's my Monday update for y'all. New jobs and cry for help coming out of Ghana. If you guys need some assistance on your Biomed project, reach out to me at justin@betterbiomed.com. I'll see what I can do. Just like my man Philip out there in Ghana, I'm gonna get him the help that he needs, and I can help you guys out as well. No charge whatsoever. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I do hope that you all can come together as a community and help me make this a better place. Go apply to these jobs if they sound appealing to you, and if you have some stuff for Philip, you can help him with his position. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.